Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'll be showing you all a hair pack which is gonna cure most of our hair issues. So this is known as thali in Malayalam, and our ancestors used to use this as shampoo. So this is very good for our hair as well as scalp. So the very first ingredient we need for this is curry leaf. We all know that curry leaf is very good for hair. It actually speeds up hair growth, and also it prevents premature graying, and also it just promotes hair growth a lot actually. And since I have got this curry leaf tree at my home, I'll be plucking out its leaf, handful of it. If you do not have this tree at your home, that's absolutely fine. You can get it from market. That's totally okay. But then since it might have a little bit of chemical to it, make sure that you wash it thoroughly. That's it. And then we need neem leaf. Again, neem leaf has got a lot of antibacterial properties to it, and thus it helps to get rid of all kind of fungal infection in our scalp. So it also helps to prevent dandruff and also any kind of infection, scalp infection. So again, this tree is there at my home, so I'll be plucking out handful of leaf. Again, if you do not have this at your home, you can definitely get it from market. You can actually get neem powder from any Ayurvedic store, and you can totally use that. That's absolutely fine. So next, the next ingredient is neem leaf. So just take a handful of leaf. If not, you can go ahead and use a neem powder as well. And next we need is hibiscus leaf as well as hibiscus flower. So it's very good for boosting hair growth, and also it just nourishes our hair really well. It's absolutely so conditioning for hair that it just gives a nice glossy look to our hair. So next one is henna. Henna leaf, again, we all know that it is very cooling, and it actually controls any kind of scalp itchiness. So this is very good for summers, because we all know it's very hot and humid here. So if we use henna, it just cools down the scalp, so it's very good. So again, since I have this at my home, I'll be plucking out few leaf. If you do not have it, you can definitely go ahead and use henna powder. Next ingredient is tulsi. So this is actually a magical plant, because it is cure for most of the skin and hair problems, because it is, again, it has got a lot of antibacterial properties. It increases blood circulation, and so it is very good for hair growth. It is very helpful to cure any kind of scalp infection. So again, I'll be plucking out handful of leaf. And then again, we need next ingredient is aloe vera. I'll be taking one leaf, aloe vera leaf, and aloe vera is again very good for hair. It just conditions and nourishes hair really well. Now I'll be taking all the leaves, and then I'll be washing it thoroughly. Since I have all these things at my home itself, I think most of you guys must be already knowing I am at Kerala right now, so I have all these things at my home itself. So it was not a problem for me, but I can definitely understand that these plants might not be available at most of the places. So all we can do is, like, we can definitely take the powder which is available at any Ayurvedic shop. You can buy that and just mix it in water and use it. Since we have these leaf, and what we are going to do is we are going to grind it, and here we are not going to use water. We will be using rice water, and we all know rice water is really good. So before that, I just want to mention that if you do not have these leaves, these things at your home, you can definitely go ahead and use powders. That's absolutely fine. And make sure that if you are buying these things from outside, like these kind of leaf as such, just make sure that you wash it thoroughly. Now we are going to take fermented rice water. So after cooking rice, I'm not going to strain away that water. I'll be just keeping it aside, and I'll be keeping it for overnight, and it gets fermented. Fermented rice water is very good for your hair as well as scalp. It just nourishes, it just conditions hair really well. So I'm gonna grind it in mixer, both these together, and make sure that it's in very fine paste, thick paste so that I can apply it as a hair mask. So just mix it in grinder or like mixer, and then you just apply it to your hair as of any other hair mask, and just keep it like that for good 30 to 40 minutes and just wash it off. If you want, you can definitely use mild shampoo and conditioner. And definitely I have used mild shampoo and conditioner because I'm using this hair mask after oiling my hair. So if you are just applying this hair mask as it is, there is no need to apply mild shampoo either. Even it's fine, but there is chance that there might be little bit of small pieces here and there, this leaf pieces here and there. But if you are using powders, you need not even use this shampoo. But if you are using this mask as it is with the leaf, there might be little small pieces of leaf here and there. So if you want, you can definitely use mild shampoo. That's absolutely fine. And this is how my hair looks after washing with I have used biotic shampoo, a shampoo which doesn't have any paraben in it. So I haven't used conditioner. This is how my hair looks. I feel that my hair looks a way more healthier and has got a little bit shine to it, because you all know my hair is very frizzy. And just try to use it once or twice in a week, and use it regularly, and you're gonna see the results for sure, because I have used it for I think 5 or 6 years. When I was in college, my mom used to make it for me. Definitely after marriage I shifted from Kerala, and after that I have never used it. It's now I'm using it, and I feel so good that I'm using it again. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all.